been talking about ministers.
Nde aria mantu ja thenjeri.
You could be a minister.
Womba kwithirwa uri muthenjeri.
That is killing instead of reviving.
Wende ukethirwa okuraga anto withirwa okuriukia.
A minister who is doing more harm
muthenjeri urokuthithia ya mathuku nkoroki
than good in the church.
Ya jamega ndene kanisa.
Now there is also this concept of ministers having to be the poorest people in the community.
Kwene nyonto bobo kwethirwa na bo athenjeri ne antu bare ankia mukeo kabisa ndene ntura.
I don't think these are Methodist ministers.
Ingwete about a Methodist, they are Methodist, a Methodist.
Methodist ministers are rich people.
A minister of Methodist ni tonga.
Because they can do all things through Christ that strengthens them.
Non to bomba kudidia manto John de ukurukira Kristo robe kairainya.
Now back to the call.
Nende tuchoke muitone.
A call to the ordained ministry.
Muito.
Call to preach the gospel.
Muito jwa kweja we kurikirwa njara turi a minister nengoge ya gutumiria.
And I want to base this on 1 Corinthians 9:16 to 23.
Ndenda kwaria manto jaja umete ya Korintho ya mbere kenda idandatu mwanka 16.
For though I preach the gospel,
kinyakethera ntoma area rotato,
I have nothing to glory of.
Utebio mpomba wikumeria,
for necessity is laid upon me.
No ntoma batu ye kimbere yakwa.
Yeah, oh is unto me.
Ikereni
if I preach not the gospel.
Okeja kwethirwa nteto ngatomeria binge tigankuma.
Now the first part is what I'm doing here. I'm preaching on the first part of that sentence.
Ndetomeria nende mantu jara ya kwarua jambere ya muraini yo.
Just preaching the gospel.
Mantu ja utumeria yangu.
Oh is unto me.
Oh ikereni
if I preach not the gospel.
Nkethirwa ndatomeria binge bitenkuma.
Now every church minister has to have his or her life dominated by two major things in order to attain any success.
Muthenjeri wonde uria ukwenda kurita nguge mwathani mantu jaire yabati kwithirwa jario ndene nguge yawe.
Prayer and the reading of the word are the key factors in creating uncommon ministers.
Kuromba na kuthoma ruteto ni untubura bwebwa itomi mono kenda minister ujo alitanguge ya Murungu.
The two will make great preachers.
Mantu jaujo jaire jaga atuma to ya atomeria banene.
Will make great teachers.
Jaga atuma to ya alitani banene.
Will make great leaders.
Jaga atuma to ya tongeria banene.
And the pastors of the church.
Na alitinguge bakumenyera nkoro shantu.
They are also responsible for bringing about real transformation in the life of the minister.
No jojo jaire jomba gutuma muturire jo muthenjeri jwethirwa jwe na kugaruka guku nene.
They also bring church growth and revivals.
No jojo mba kureta gukura wa kanisa na kuriukwa.
And these are the two pieces of information
na mantu
news
mantu jaijo mageni jaire ja manene
that I want to give to the newly ordained ministers.
Jaran kwenda kugana na bara barekia kurikirwa njara na adwa.
And I would like it to I would like to begin this sermon by briefly looking at the life of the apostle Paul.
Ndenda kuamberia nende na gutaga na njire nkwe muturire ywa ndomba ya Murungu Paulo.
As an example of a great preacher.
Are kionereria kia mutumerio mwega wa nkuma.
Paul was always great in everything.
Paulo are wa manto jegoro manto na jonde.
If you consider him a sinner,
ukeja umutaga are moya,
he was exceeding sinful.
Are moyo munene.
If you regard him as a persecutor,
ukeja umona are mudhange kia kanisa,
he was exceeding mad against the Christians.
Adira yeja manene ya kudhange kia kanisa.
And they persecuted them even unto strange cities.
Abora geta kinyantora cheko makania.
If you take him as a convert,
okay, yo muona nende are mto waroki.
His conversion was the most notable one of which we didn't.
Kugaruka kwa waigo kunene kura kinyato dhomaga nende.
What by miraculous power.
Aga aliteringoge nebi ya mabi nene.
And by the direct voice of Jesus is speaking from heaven.
Na iyetuwa kajo kongo kanjeso wakiara ya kumeuru.
So why persecutest thou me?
Sauro neke nonto kundhangikia.
if we take him simply as a Christian,
tukeya kumujukia na njira mbotho ya mukristo,
he was an extraordinary one.
ari mukristo wa kurigaria,
Loving his master more than others,
endete athani bawe nkurukia bange bonde,
and seeking more than others to exemplify the grace of God in life.
na agechwaga nkurukia bange bonde uria omba gukiria utugi wa Murungu ndene muturire jwawe.
If you take him as an apostle
Na twamujukia ari muthingati
and as a preacher of the word,
na mutumiria wa ruteto,
he stands out preeminent as the prince of preachers.
arirungama agokire iguru ja mutongeria wa tumiria,
And a preacher to kings,
na mutumiria kinya mbere ya nene.
for he preached before Agrippa,
No ntunatumirie mbere ya munene Agripa,
he preached before Nero
aratumirie mbere ya munene Nero
and Caesar,
na Sisa,
he stood before emperors and the kings for Christ's namesake.
arungamire mbere ya athani na atongeria nontu bwa ruteto.
It was the characteristic of Paul
Nejumukarie jo Paulo
that whatever he did,
ate jonde jara kuthithia,
he did with all his heart.
athithagia na nkoro yawe yombe.
One of the men who could not allow one half of his frame to be exercised,
Ni mutumiria ni ntomurume o munene oro utenda kinya nusu ewe etumiro na njira ingi,
while the other half was indolent. But when he set it to work,
ingi neo etumiro rutere ne rungi ende warire abanga kurita ngowe,
the whole of his energies, every nerve,
inya yawe yonde na pati chionde chia mwiri
every sinew was strained in the work can be done.
into kionde kiawe giatonyitha guo ngugine ra kwenda kurita,
Be it bad work
irethirwo inguimbi
or be it good,
irethirwo inguinjaga,
indeed it wholeheartedly.
arithagia na nkoro yawe yonde.
Paul therefore could speak from experience concerning his ministry.
Paulo nende aragia nontu wa mantu jara kumenya bwega jan ruteto na ntumiri,
Because he was the chief of ministers.
nontu ari munene wa athinjiri.
There is no nonsense in what he speaks.
Gute mantu jaro jajara aragia,
It is all from the depth of his soul.
jonde aragia jaumite nkorone yawe ndene.
And we may be sure that when he writes this,
Na nende tomba kwithira twina uma kumenya rira kuandika mantu jaya,
he wrote it with a strong and paused hand.
andika na njara inainya netina guchoka na nyuma.
Though I preach the gospel,
Inya kethira ingutumiria nkuma,
I have nothing to glory of,
utebio byako bya wikumeria,
for necessity is laid upon me.
nontu mobatu jonde yeki mbere yakwa.
Yeah. Oh, it's me if I preach not the gospel.
Ikireni okeya kwethira ndatumiria binge bite nkuma.
I would like now to ask the newly ordained ministers and all the ministers here actually to emulate this man.
Ndenda nende kuria barabambirwa na arua na minister bonde barabareja tumbe kuthingatana na mtu uyu.
A well-learned man.
Mtu muthomu kabisa.
He knew everything.
Mtu waije mantu jonde.
Traditionally complete.
Kinya mantu jake wethira no yuri.
Sometimes I do compare myself with the Paul.
Rimwe ingeraia kuingwanithania na Paul.
Traditionally I'm complete.
Kinya ke wethira imboyori.
I know all the traditions of our church.
Inkomenya iwe ke wethira kionde kinya ya kanisa.
I have also studied very well.
Kinya kuthoma inthomi bwega
In various areas.
ndene ya gontogo kwinge taalamu nyingi.
I've done theology.
Inathithitie kithomo ke theology.
I have done economics.
Nathithitie mantu ya biashara.
I've done business.
Nathithitie biashara.
I've done development.
Nathithitie mantu ya weti na mbere.
I've done politics.
Nathithitie kinya siasa.
You name it.
Bionda birokenda kuwira.
But in the church today,
Ende ndene kanisa na arua.
in the spiritual world today,
Ndene kerundu.
in the kingdom today,
Ndene onene na arua.
this is nothing to glory.
Biu bionde ritebia wikumeri.
It's nothing.
Bionde.
And the Paul is right when he says so.
Na Paulo na kwaria marira kuwo.
And I'll tell you something about the book I'm writing.
Na ngakwira mantu ya yuku nkwandika.
I don't know when it will come out though.
Ntikumenya reke yawe.
It is something to do with industrial psychology.
ni manto ja madhoganio ya biashara inene.
That it is very, very easy for a minister to take pride
ate ne ontobobo the mono muthenjeri kuyukia wikumia
because of his education.
no ontobo kithomo kiawe.
Sometimes it's because of our origins.
no ontobo na ara tumete.
Our humble beginnings can sometimes put us off balance.
Orato no ontobo ara twambererie na njirembo tho biombo tomatoki nyanto ana bia tuita nyotugine.
When you come to the church and the church promotes you so high,
no ontobo yera kanisa na kanisa ne okeria witidia.
It takes you, the church takes you to some of the best universities.
Kanisa ya wiki university ira nene.
And you take many degrees.
No kayokia degree ira nyinge.
And you forget to think about the spiritual matters.
No nende no ntubobo wokorirwa kudwani mantu ja kiro.
And the pride kicks in.
Nende wikumye bwa atonya.
Now this is what it says where I'm writing this, regarding this.
Ne unende ndene yukure mantu ja uya kugara kuandika.
That there is a correlation between your IQ
kwena mantu ja kuwatanira ja konye ome bwaku
and your spirituality.
na inya mantu ja kiro.
When your spiritual aspects are low,
itarira kiro gyaku kenami,
you become a weakened person.
Weya mtu mumaramari.
In other words, it says there is a correlation between IQ and the wickedness.
Eriwa kwena mantu ja kuwatanira ja konye ome bwotombo na mantu ja madhoku.
You could call yourself a genius. You could be very clever.
Wamba ochieta mtombo ome kabisa.
You could have so much knowledge.
Wamba kwethro ina ome wobwinge.
But if you are so full of wickedness,
ende okeya kwethro mantu ja madhoku ja endene kuja mainge.
Wickedness negatively affects your IQ.
Odhoku bobo kuangaratane yebo kadhoki kinya ome bwaku.
And it brings your knowledge down.
Na nende bokendika ome bwaku thi.
For example, if your IQ is 50%,
okeya kwethro ome bwaku ni 50 kwegana.
And your wickedness is 50%.
No maramari na mantu amadhoku na jo 50 kwegana.
Your IQ is 0.
Ome bwaku nende bweya utebio.
That means your wickedness is like 0.
Ikuwa nende
wickedness is like a figure 0.
Odhoku bwaku bokaria 0 ndeneku.
When you multiply anything by 0,
okeya kugania mainda gento inyage kona gento tekeo,
the answer is always 0.
Reonde wona gento tekeo.
So you can be a genius.
Nende wamba kwethro mtu mume sana.
Your wickedness now brings you down to someone who is too foolish even to engage.
And odhoku nende bwaku ingera na bubo kethro wete kia inyage tomba kwadirwa.
And this is what we are seeing today.
Ine uto kuona nende ntuko iyi.
You find that in our churches,
uriona ndene kanisa chietu,
the Methodist church today is becoming very popular, I tell you.
No kuona kanisa yetu ya Methodist ni kumenyeka mono nende ituko bi.
But it's not only attracting the good people.
Ende teke okuchi yake antu barawega.
It's also attracting Satan.
Ne okuchi nyankoma.
And all its angels.
Na araika bayo.
Angels of Satan are called demons.
Araika bankoma beta wa daimono.
They are also being attracted.
Kinyabo nende iba okuchwa.
And the one good people are trying to dominate the church.
Orera kinyanto babega bakotonya kanisa no Amerika.
But the people are also wanting to dominate it.
Kinyanto bado kuiba kwenda omitonya bamuyura.
Control it.
Iba kwenda omitongere.
They want to have a voice through the church.
Iba kwenda kwethro baina kayo okorokera kanisa.
So the church is very precious to them.
Kanisa kethro egento kyagoro kibo.
So they will do businesses in order to gain, in order to influence the church.
Ende bakadhirie biashara kenda bona faida ere baretera kwendero nyendene kanisa.
And all the monies they get, they take it to the church.
Na mbecha chionde ira bakona barete kanisene.
But sometimes the demon is taking them is bringing this money in a very funny way.
ende irundu bibie na byo ndaimono ikethro ireta mbecha na njira cia mwanya
In order to fight the goodness in the church,
kenda bethro kabeyite kurwanya na wega burabwe kanisene
they will pour their money, but the money will not go to mission.
bagetura mbecha lakini mbecha iteta mishenine
Their money will go to courts.
mbecha ciao itiowita koti
They think the world can come now and rectify the church.
baithwania nende ndiguruni ekeya igerie kwerekania kanisa
And I'm backing what the former presiding bishop was saying.
nduga ukenda mbekira inya untubura presiding bishop urothire okorokere auga
The church will never be rectified by the world, but the church is there to transform the world.
kanisa itemenya kuwerekanua ni ndiguru ende kanisa ni akugarura ndiguru
And therefore the money that they get from elsewhere in order to destroy the church is it's money that is cast.
na no ntubwa mbecha iria bagochwa gontu konge beya kuthangikia kanisa mbecha iu ni ndume
It's the money that was used to buy Jesus.
imbecha inya iria cietumirwo kugura Jesu
And you know what happened to Judas Iscariot?
lukumenya ura Judas yathithirie
Because he had taken that cast money,
no ntukajukitie mbecha indume
it brought him sin.
yamuretere meya
And the wages of sin is death.
na muchara jo meya na yumekuo
This is what is going to happen to them that are giving the church trouble.
na o ne ugwakarika kibara nabo bakuthangikia
I
kanisa
want to tell our ministers
ninde no ntubwo ndenda kwira athenjeri beto
that the word of God is the one to empower the church,
ruteto rwa murungu no ruwa wekira kanisa inya
and combined with prayer,
na ruwatirenu na maromba
we are going to get a true church of Jesus Christ.
tukethirwa twina kanisa ya ma ya Jesu
Where
Kristo
we are generating people that are taking us somewhere.
antu ara tukethirwa twikuria antu bara batwikitie mbere
So I want you to stick to the word.
ndenda nende tuige kwa ndene ruteto
And because of time,
na no ntubwe gita
I don't want to take you through the sermon that are written.
ntebwira mantu jonde yarankuduranirite
I'll just say now in summary,
amuga nende nkegitanga
before we ordained these ministers,
mbere aturikira minista babanjara
I wanted to say that the ministry they have gotten in is not just merely a profession.
manto injiri na kana undumene rabatonyete te manto ja ngoge kana oritibwa ngoge yake
It's not for a period of time
tebo aigitare rena
until some other more attractive occupation beckons a man.
mwankarera manto jange ja mega jakeya yakebwe
But it is a life work.
ende ni untubwa gutura mwanka Kenya.
And the first office of an ordained, one ordained to the ministry is that he or she should be with God.
Na ofisi ya mbere ya mtu uria urarekerwa njara no ntubwa unduma ni ati nabati kwethirwa ina murungu
And this God is his word.
na murungu ojo no ruteto
And it's just a prayer away.
na ari itagaria ri omukinyira ni iromba
Only then is he qualified to go forth to many to preach the word of God.
no ake tukethirwa tuking'anira na kwethirwa tuomba wita nende gutumiria ruteto
One who is thus consecrated, who enjoys constant communion with his master.
mtura nende urikitie kutherwa na akethirwa na kwethirwa ina ngwataniro igitare onthe na mwathani
We will enjoy the privilege of rendering complete service.
akawirirwa kwethirwa akirita ngugi yothe njeri kiri mwathani
Refusing to be entertained in business
akirega gwitikiria gutonya mantune ya karia biashara
for personal gain
kendethirwa na kuona baita ya wewengwa
and other things of this world,
na mantu jange janthiguru iji
that he may by the grace of God
nikenda no ntubwa utugi wa murungu
give complete devotion to the cause he loves.
akanenkanira akana uchieja na buru kiri untubura endete
Even when he reaches his retirement,
kinyarira agakinya igitarira ageta kunoka
he should feel the call of God to be the same standard of life as indeed in most active years.
akaigua akenda gutura muturire ojura mwega araturite kinyarira araritangwe
That the ministry be not blamed
nikenda unduma etikeje kumarua.
You get that in 2 Corinthians 6:3.
Akorintho yejere ithanthatu mustari yo ethatu yukuo.
So we say before the hands of ordination are laid upon our work, he should have given proof, and this is what our ministers have done.
Turiuga mbere barekero anjara na kutharimwa no mwanka bethro bonenie ni antu bakumba ngugeu jaura babonenie.
One,
bombere
proof. I mean, there should be proof of one, experience in various types of ministerial responsibilities.
Mbere ni uraba ina kiwango gya kwethro baritete ngugi ndene ya kwewa ngugi ya unduma.
Number two, definitely call to the ministry as a life worker, not the party time.
Bajaire ne kwethro mwito jo ao jo kionekana bwega jo utonya undumene na muturira jo mwega.
They should also prove number three of entire consecration of body, soul and the spirit.
Bethro bakionania manto ja kutherua kwa mwire jwao na nkoro yao na gikirundu.
They must also show spiritual stability.
Bethro bakionekana ne antu barunga mibwega ndene kiro.
Our ministers should also show social maturity.
Bethro bakionania ya kinyama antu ja metorere iba kukarabwega.
Number six, they should also show clear understanding of the word of God.
Bethro bakionana yeiba kuerewa bwega mantu ja ruteto rwa Mungu.
Number seven, they should also show aptness as a teacher of truth.
Bethro bakionana ya barunga mibwega mantu ne yoritani boma.
Number eight, ability to lead the souls from sin into holiness.
Bethro bakionana ya baina uwezo bwa gutongeria antu kuma kire meya weta kire utheru.
Not the ministers killing people or bringing people to sin, but the other way around.
Tekwethra ne avenjeri barabo bakuraga antu ende ne baraba kuriukia.
Not ministers pressing the oxygen pressure tubes,
Te baraba kedro bakingira meruke antu
but ministers who are giving oxygen.
ende ibaraba kurekeria meruke tonya kire antu.
They should also show fruitage in souls won to Christ.
Bethro bakionana ya matunda janto bara bakuchetia bakeya moyone.
They must also have cooperative attitude and confidence in the organization and functioning of the church.
Bethro bakionania bakewatanira no tongeria na Bethro bakewatanira na mantu jauria mekarire ya kanisa evangenwe.
Not the ministers fighting the system, but the ministers strengthening the system.
Te avenjeri bara bakethro bakero na baraba ina wathani ende ibara bakethro bakerikia atongeria.
The minister should also live a life of consistent, exemplary Christian conduct.
Bethro ne Kristo baraba utora motorere jora joerekene na ukristo ndene madhidhio yao.
They should also have, lastly, an exemplary family.
Bethro kinyamechie yao njachi yao ne nja indungamu.
So taking Paul as an example,
Paulo ari kionereria gikiega
and knowing the qualities of a good minister,
na tukiona mantu jegie muthinjiri mwega,
then there is guarantee of running a healthy church.
tukethirwa nende twina hakikisho ya witithia kanisa ndiku.
Lastly,
Untubo muthia
is a male politics, as a former bishop said.
ni siasa cia meru jaura ciarikia kurua.
Itwarĩtie rĩmwe tũuga there is a possibility kwamba kwĩthĩra kwĩna possibility ya meru bandivaindwa ni siasa ira ciĩyĩte along denominational lines na along sectional lines, but the Christians ivo vaina ndawa ya community ya meru. Lakini indenda tumenya ringi rira kwenda competition onto competition nĩyĩte no mwangandu vethire vaina uhuru na vaina rules njia cia uchindana na rimwe rira gukuchetha mubira kwiginya rimwe antu vaikanaira tuthiare gatuthiale no mwanga tuvetegerie vathithanirie u, lakini vira kwenda kuromba kanisa yetu iri anavyu waita muntu kwenda kwa mutongeria wetu aitakirumana kurumana kurekwe, lakini tuvetegerie vachindane na machindano ya mega ya bakari ya Kristo onto barokoroka kana bakoroka Meru ikethirere wo natwe bakeyanja cieto tubaya tubaringa tubapati atithembagi kana tubaira ibwega no tworo urumanire sana kanisa yetu ite witigiria mantu yau wamba kinyo chindana na njire kwendana Martin Luther King na Mahatma Gandhi na Mandela laini yao itaenda violence itaenda ndwa na njira ciao icie cindanire no ntugenda ndwa ndwari moyo mbo wigia nyumba ite mwari